everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today we are going to be making some chicken pepper soup. So here are the chicken I'm using. I'm using hard chicken, also known as Obasanjo chicken. We call it Obasanjo chicken here. So I've washed and cleaned my the chicken very well and added it to the pot. So here next I'm going to be adding some diced onion, followed by some crunched red pepper, followed by some crayfish, some ehu, uziza, and oda powder, or just use your pepper soup mixed spice. Okay, then next I added some ginger and garlic powder. This is optional. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Then I'm going to be adding some Maggi Star. This brings out the pepper soup, the original Nigeria pepper soup flavor. You can use any stock cube you have or any seasoning cube you have available. Don't mind me. So after adding the star cube, I went ahead and stir them up. So I'm stirring it, making sure that all the ingredients I added are well mixed. So after that, I'm going to cover this and let it cook in its seasoning, in its own juice for about 10 minutes. And before that 10 minutes, I kept stirring it. Okay, so don't just leave it unattended. So make sure you are stirring it. Cook it for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So here it's been over 15 minutes. Then I went ahead and added some habanero pepper and a little red bell pepper. It's optional, you can skip that. Then after that, I added some water, top up some water, enough to make the pepper soup. Then added a little salt. Always test for salt. So when you test for salt, if it's not enough, you can add, but if it's enough, you go ahead and continue cooking. Okay, so after that, just stir it properly for everything to mix. Then I'm going to go ahead now and cover it and let it cook for about 60 minutes or more. Remember, I'm using hard chicken here. It's hard to cook. So it's been about 60 minutes later. Here we are. So I went ahead and added some parsley leaf. You can use nshawu or scent leaf, okay? But here I don't have nshawu, so what I use here is parsley leaf, fresh parsley leaf is better, okay? You can, but don't use basil leaf or mint leaf, because I heard some people saying that it's the same with nshawu. It's a lie. They don't taste or have the same flavor. So cook it for another 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and wow, our chicken pepper soup is ready. Here we are, ready and very delicious. Very delicious. Okay. Go ahead and try this and get back to me. Let me know how it is. Okay, my producer is testing it. As you can see. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.